to my channel. Here I am Angisha from Creations 007, a very new video for you all. It's a new project by Creations, Pitara by Creations. This Pitara is completely customized in a vintage look, and the size of the Pitara is 8 by 5 inches and height is approx 5 inches. I have provided 2 handles on the side so that it gives you a feeling of vintage box like Pitara we used to see. It comes like this, or even you can hold it like this. I have used some corner legs metal charms over here, Now let's pop into my Pitara. Okay, so this Pitara comes with a beautiful album and some ATC cards. Here are some ATC cards I customized with some scraps of my pattern papers. I've used die cuts, some flower embellishments, rhinestones, some die cuts to complete this ATCs and to make them more beautiful as I can. And here is a golden frame that can be customized accordingly. The inner size of the frame is 2 by 3 inches, so this fits 2 by 3 inches photos perfectly, or else you can leave them for journaling. Here are 4 ATCs, and all this ATCs have this frames over there. You can paste photos, or you can just keep them for journaling purpose. These are flexible. You can increase the number from 4 ATCs to 5 or 6 approximately. And the album for this Pitara comes with a size of 7 by 5 inches, and this album is customized with 8 pages. 4 are flap pages and 4 are normal pages. So I have used much of die cuts and some embellishments for my album. I have used most of golden die cuts. See here, or if you want to see yeah, these are the flap pages in my album. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do journaling over here and paste a photo of 4 by 3 inches, a landscape photo over here, so that will look more better in flap pages. And here are some tags for journaling and photographs. Here the photo size that fits will be 2 by 3 inches approx, and you can do journaling over here, or else you can paste photo over here and do journaling over here. There are also some tags for the journaling purpose, and this area also fits a photo of 4 by 3 inches in a landscape mode. All the pages in this album are similar. I have not used or not made many pockets in this. I wanted to keep it more simple. I don't want it to go with some funky pockets in this, like simple and sweet kind. And the flowers and decor, I have used this mulberry flowers, some sentiment tags over here, a crotch frame. The pattern papers I have used are from DCWD. The Pitara and the album, both the papers are from DCWD. So when it comes to Pitara, there is an interactive divider provided to you, so you can place it at the back side, and you can place your ATCs at the back side, or you can bring it at the front and place your ATCs like this. I'm going to keep this format. I like this format more, or else you can just remove if you don't require this, and place your album like this, and it is roughly to put in this. Even you can add one more album in this, but right now I have customized it with one album, so that can be customized. You can add one more album. So let me place my interactive divider, some ATCs that goes here, and an album over at the back side. This format I liked it, so I'm going to keep this format for me. You can change it. So this was a Pitara by Creations 007. And if you wish to book, you can go to my Facebook page and Instagram account and can have inquiry for the same. And do let me know in the comment section what you like about the pitara, how you liked it, did you like my concept or not. Your suggestions means me a lot, so let's see how you people liked it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and keep watching this space, keep watching creations, and do support. We'll be back with a new video tutorial for you people. Till then, see ya.